Hey, you! Yes, you! So, you want to be a great illustrator, huh? Of course you do. There are tons of online courses telling you how to become a professional in no time. But the truth is that there are only two ways. The long and boring ninja path of the artist, or the pact. Oh, you prefer the first one? Didn't expect that. Okay, here we go. Let's start with some color. Within pigment colors, we can find the primary colors. They're called that because they cannot be formed by the mixture of other colors. But you knew that already, didn't you? Mixing two primary colors in equal parts creates secondary colors. And varying the parts, we get the tertiary colors. Fantastically easy, ain't it? Okay, between them we can find the analogous colors. That are the ones we can find at both sides of a color. Great. If we draw a line, we can find warm colors in one side and cold ones in the other. They're called like that for the feel they communicate. And if we make even more lines, we have the complementary colors that, as in love, they complement each other. Paradoxically, they are confronted, and they are usually called opposite colors because opposites attract each other, or they unleash mayhem. Aww. Okay, if you mix the three primary colors in equal parts, you'll get brown, also called neutral. You proved this many times when you thought it was an awesome idea to mix all the clay colors in one terrifying thing. Me. But what role does white and black have here? Well, let me tell you that they are not colors, but values that can add or subtract brightness to a color, giving what we call tone. Adding any value also takes out saturation. A clear example of that is when you wanted to create pink, and you added white to the red clay. Pale almost rhymes with lame, right? And you thought it was a good idea to add some black to revert the situation. The result? A weird, insipid mix that would frustrate you more. But what neither you nor your common sense knew was that you were taking out saturation, that is, the purity of color. To avoid that, the only thing you had to do was add more color and less value. Hey, that's too much. And that's how you run out of pigment. Well, we talked about saturation, tone, and we're missing the hue. That is, the first perceptible impression of an object. In other words, the color itself. Wikipedia. Well, we're out of time, little friend. Oh, you wanted to start and sell some paintings already? Well, maybe in the next video. Or not. The important thing is to never stop dreaming. If you liked this video made out of sweat, blood, and some manatees, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone that might find it useful.